Welcome to our Intuitive Empath Empowerment series. Be sure to watch the whole video for another self-care tip that you can use right now.
This series is an introduction to our spiritual healing and intuitive development courses.
And make sure that you catch them all the videos in this series, just like Pokemon, in the link below for all the juicy empathic empowerment goodness.
Wherever you are in your journey, we are here to help.
And for those of you who are just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
I'm ZenRoseGarden.com,
home of our Intuitive Awakening community and Zen Ed Academy.
As you come on, let us know where you're watching from.
And if you have any questions as we go, drop them in the comments.
Self-care is so important for the empath as they are learning to master their emotional responses to energy. And we want to give you one simple self-care tips you probably didn't even think of to do. This is something that is so easy to do right now that can lower fear, anxiety, and depression.
Who could use a little bit of that?
Always.
So make sure you pay attention to the whole video because we're going to be dropping that here in just a moment. There are many self-care techniques that produce natural hormones, that calm us, that we just don't do, and they cost nothing. Here it is: faith, hope, and optimism. This attitude is the number one practice that you can create for a healthy brain. I am talking about the belief that a positive future is coming and the ability to trust that belief in the face of adversity.
No matter what choices we make in life, we can never know for sure if we made the right decision until it plays out. And even then, things can change. But living in a dark room of doubt, as far as your brain is concerned, is a very precarious mental state.
When the storm whispers to you and says, "You cannot stand me," and you say, "I am the storm," that would be a positive mental attitude, right? Faith, hope, optimism. I'm going to get through this. You can't touch me. You can't touch this. If you can build a pattern of trusting that you will get through anything, no matter how difficult, that faith, hope, and optimism can set the stage for actually getting through it. Your positive beliefs, no matter what they are, coupled with faith and an optimistic outlook, can get you through the darkness of the unknown.
Positive thinking boosts your immune system. It improves coping skills in times of hardship and reduces cortisol. Remember, we don't like it, which is a chemical that makes us freak out and feel the stress. It's the stress maker hormone.
Fun fact, if you didn't know, optimists show stimulation in the same part of the brain that is activated by meditation, and in general have longer lifespans than pessimists.
Don't have time to do your meditation? Just be optimistic for 10 minutes.
So that's our insight for this video. Don't forget to catch them all just like Pokemon using the link below to get a better understanding of your empathic abilities.
In the next episode, one more empath self-care tip you can use right now.
Or right now in the next video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. If you've gotten something valuable today, let us know by dropping #valuable in the comments. Also, if you want more, you might be interested in our free Intuitive Awakening community where we specialize in helping awakening empaths, intuitives, and psychics step into confidence and clarity.
If you're ready to level up beyond that, you can check out our metaphysical school and community, Zen Ed Academy.
Be sure to check out the links in the description and see if that resonates for you. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure you check out the goodies we got for you. There's a link in the description below if you liked this video.
Hit the like button.
And if you want to see more videos like this, videos like this,
be sure to subscribe.
And spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource. The fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we absolutely honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your mind, your skills, and take everything to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to binge on all the other videos that we have around here. I don't know where they are. I'm sure you can find them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you in the next video.